Hey, what is going on, everybody? Welcome back to Everyday Technology. Nate here, back at you with another tech video, and a lot of you guys have been asking me to do an updated setup tour video for 2018. So here it is, guys, my smart and RGB desk setup tour for 2018. Let's get started. Here it is, my 2018 desk setup. Before we begin, I would just like to say that if you want to buy any of the products that are in this video today, I have a kit linked down below that includes all of the products on my desk. With that being said, let's get right into the video. So starting off, the desk that I am using is actually a kitchen table. I don't know the brand, but surprisingly it works really well as a desk. It has a really nice wooden finish that is very smooth to the touch. The only thing that I don't like about the desk is that it's really wide and it tends to expose all of the cables. The most important product in my desk setup tour, which is my HP Pavilion notebook, is actually not on my desk at all. It's underneath it. I'm not going to show you where it is underneath my desk due to my lack of cable management, but overall this computer has a lot of great features such as a Core i7 dual-core processor, a 1TB hard drive, and 12GB of RAM. With so much memory and that great of a processor, this computer handles video editing just fine. But that's not all I use this computer for. I also use it for managing my YouTube channel and also doing schoolwork. Connected to my HP Pavilion notebook is another product from HP, the HP 25ES 25-inch monitor. The build quality feels premium and I really like the aluminum finish. In terms of the screen, it's only 1080p, but it could easily be mistaken for a 2K monitor because of how well it displays colors. The bezels on the screen are fairly large, but keep in mind that the monitor is only $120. Directly beside my monitor is my Audio-Technica MTH M30X studio monitoring headphones. They are made out of really high quality plastic and metal, and they feel really nice on your ears. The headphones also fold up, which is great for when you're traveling. In terms of sound quality, the Audio-Technica MTH M30X's sound really clear. The best part is that right now they're only going for $60, so if you're looking for a great pair of fairly budget-friendly headphones, I would definitely consider checking these guys out. The tech product that I use to both hold and display my headphones is the Corsair ST100 headphone stand. The main feature of this stand is the RGB lights on the Corsair logo and on the base of the stand. The stand also has two USB 3.0 ports and a 3.5mm headphone jack that is used with the 7.1 surround sound. You can enable the 7.1 surround sound by simply downloading the free Corsair utility software. I would only recommend using the 7.1 surround sound with movies because when you watch YouTube videos, they tend to sound distorted. If your setup tends to be cluttered by your headphones lying on your desk, I would definitely consider picking up the ST100. Currently, I am using the Logitech K800 as my keyboard. The keyboard is illuminated, and one thing I really like about it is that it has proximity sensors so that when you get near it in the dark, it automatically turns on. The typing experience on this keyboard is really great, and the keys feel really clicky. The next peripheral that I have is my Logitech M510 mouse. Now, I know what you're thinking, Nate, you've had this mouse for the past year. When are you going to upgrade to something a little more nicer? And my answer to that question is I may upgrade in the future, but for now, the Logitech M510 mouse is just fine. It feels really nice in my hand, and although it's a pretty inexpensive mouse, it still performs pretty well. The product that makes my setup smart is my Google Home Mini. This little personal assistant and speaker is a great addition to my desk because it allows me to play music and ask questions without even having to use my hands. You can even ask the Google Home Mini stupid questions and it will most likely come back with an answer.
This is a giraffe.
From the fabric-like covering to the glossy white finish, the design of this device is really amazing. You can also find hints of orange on the mic mute switch and on the bottom of the Google Home Mini. A product that I have that goes with the Google Home Mini is the Wemo Mini Smart Plug. What this device allows me to do is to turn on and off outlets by simply using my voice. The next product we have is actually one that I'm using right now, and that is the Behringer B2 Pro. This microphone delivers really crisp audio, and because I'm using it for the voiceover right now, you can hear it for yourself. The microphone has a lot of advanced features and is definitely worth the $150. Holding up my Behringer B2 Pro is my newer boom arm. I prefer a boom arm over just a regular microphone stand because it allows me to maneuver the mic closer to my mouth. I wouldn't recommend this to anybody who has a really heavy microphone because over time my boom arm actually bent. Because my Behringer B2 Pro is an XLR microphone and requires phantom power, I have to use an audio interface with it, and my audio interface of choice is the Behringer Euphoria UM2. The reason that I like this audio interface so much is due to the fact that it's only going for $40 right now, which is a great price for an audio interface. Not only is this audio interface great because of its price, it is also great for the amount of features that it has. These features include the ability to directly monitor your voice, as well as being able to adjust the gain of the microphone. Although I use my Audio-Technica headphones and Google Home Mini to listen to music, I also use my Bose Soundlink Mini occasionally. On the top of the speaker, you will see that there is an on and off button, a mute button, a volume rocker, a Bluetooth on and off button, and an auxiliary button just in case you don't want to use the Bluetooth feature. I really like the Bose Soundlink Mini, but if you're on a budget, then I would recommend that you look for a cheaper Bluetooth speaker because the price is so high. I have two RGB lights on my desk. The first of which is my RGB light strip from iHomey. It's pretty budget friendly, but I wouldn't recommend it for someone who has a wooden desk like me because it tends to keep falling off. The other thing is that in order to use the remote, you have to be right near the receiver, which can get a little annoying if you're on the opposite side of your desk. Even with those downsides, I still really like the iHomey RGB strips because they add a really nice effect to my desk. The second RGB product that I have is a RGB light bulb from Yang CSL. The build quality feels really premium, and it is made out of high quality plastic and really nice metal. Unlike the iHomey RGB strips, the Yang CSL remote can be used with the light from different angles around your room. Alright guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you guys did enjoy, and if you did, please like the video down below, subscribe to the channel if you have not already, and also turn on notifications so you are always reminded when I upload a new tech video. Until next time guys, I'm Nate from Everyday Technology, and I'll catch you in my next video. Bye.